Hello, students. I just wanted to do a quick video to show you one of the features on your graphing calculator that came up as being helpful for students while we were working on the different types of numbers. So you'll notice in Unit 2, it's asking you questions to classify certain numbers, whether they are rational or irrational. Remember, the word where that's coming from is whether it can be written as a ratio or not. So a rational number can be written as a ratio or a fraction. An irrational number cannot. And so some students were asking, well, how can I tell? So there's a feature on your graphing calculator that lets you convert numbers from fractions to decimals. So for example, if I have the number 1.25 and I want to change it to a fraction, you just have to push math and hit enter to select fraction, and it writes it as a fraction for me. So that's my cue. This is a rational number. It can be written as a ratio or a fraction. If I had another number, for example, and I wanted to see if it could be written as a fraction, if you select math fraction and hit enter and it just gives you the decimal back, then that's its way of telling you, hey, this is an irrational number. We cannot write it as a fraction. So that's one little quick trick. You also can change fractions to decimals if you just scroll down to decimal and hit enter. It'll write it as a decimal for you as well. So just a feature, feel free to use that throughout the course. Sometimes you get questions written as fractions and you want to change them to decimals or vice versa, and that kind of helps out a little bit with the math. All right, so let me know if you have any questions on that. Thanks so much.